Hello everyone. As you know, the government has announced new GST tax rates. For example, 12% to 5%, 18% to 5%, and 28% to 18%. These will be applicable on all bills from 22 September 2025. If you are a MAG ERP user, you can bulk update these new GST rates in your ERP in a single slot. For this, a new option has been added under the GST menu, called GST tax rate. This option will auto-update directly with your system, GST PFO, so you don't need to manually update your software. If for any reason the auto-download doesn't work, you can easily download the file from the MAG ERP website and paste it into your MAG ERP folder. Now, let's see the process. First, open the MAG ERP dashboard, go to the GST menu, and click on GST tax rates. As soon as you press enter, the system will alert you to take a backup of your financial year. If you haven't taken one, make sure to back up before doing a bulk GST update. After backup, click Yes. A new window will open where you can update the new GST rates in a single slot. Here you will see two provisions, 12% to 5% and 18% to 5%. By default, GST structure will be set to Yes. If you don't want to change right now, set it to No. Let's keep it as Yes and continue. As soon as you select 12% to 5% and press Enter, the system will ask, do you want to change MRP? MRP change is important, whether you are a distributor, retailer or manufacturer, but you should confirm with your chartered accountant or consultant before proceeding. If you change, your MRP will reduce. If not, it stays the same. The choice is yours. For MRP change, you will get two options: new tax base, old tax base. Select current tax base if you are changing tax for the first time. Select old tax base if you already changed earlier through ease of GST and only want to update MRP. After that, you will see Replace MRP with MRP. The system will automatically calculate the difference between 12% and 5% and update MRP based on the default formula. In the same way, you can update the 18% to 5% GST rates. After changes, press Enter. The next option is Shift Old MRP. If you change MRP, the old MRP will shift to default H rate. This is a one-time process. For confirmation, type Please change my GST. Once you press Enter, the system will update your GST rates. After this, the Ease of GST pop-up will appear where you can verify updated tax HSNYs. Just click OK, then press Enter and click Accept. Next, press F6. Then go to tax percent and HSN code and press Enter to verify your updated tax. If you have updated EXC after the 18th of September, press F7 to verify and update HSNY's GST. If you need other changes, for example, 28% to 18%, simply enter 9 and 9 and the system will set it to 18%. There is no need to manually change the tax in HSN. As soon as you skip and press Enter without making any other changes in the filter, just click Enter. Your tax rate will be updated automatically. Finally, run error checking. If you have updated EXC after the 18th of September, press F7 to verify and update HSNY's GST. That's it. In this way, you can bulk update GST tax rates and MRP together inside MAG ERP through a simple and fast process. Thanks for watching.